Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurin Batrisya Binti Muhammad Roslan and my matrix number is 2024424316. And my supervisor is Dr. Masayu Binti Haji Norman. So for today, I would like to present about the geospatial assessment and multi-criteria evaluation of factors affecting rooftop rainwater harvesting RRWH water quality, the influence of roof materials. For introduction, rooftop rainwater harvesting is recognized as the sustainable alternative water source, especially in the area with limited access to the treated water and increasing water demand due to the urbanization and climate change. However, roof materials may affect the harvested rainwater quality due to pollutant accumulation. This study evaluates the influence of metal and concrete roof and rooftop rainwater harvesting water quality by using the remote sensing, GIS, and AHP. The high spatial resolution of World View 3 image, OBIA, Ecognition, and ArcGIS Pro are applied in this study. Next, I will proceed with the background of study. The freshwater resources are increasingly limited due to the urbanization and climate change. Rooftop rainwater harvesting (RRWH) is a sustainable alternative water source. Therefore, this study is about the water quality of the RRWH that influenced by the factors such as the roofing materials, roofing condition, and roofing geometry. The difference of the roof materials contribute to the different types of the pollutants. For this study, there is the limitation, which is about the study of the integrates of GIS and also the multi-criteria analysis towards the RRWH water quality assessment. The first problem statement is about the increasing water demand and pollution issues in urban area. The second one is RRWH is the widely used but the water quality is inconsistent. The third one is the influence of the roof materials on the RRWH water quality is not fully understood. Furthermore, the lack of geospatial assessment and also the decision support tools. Last but not least, the need of the systematic evaluation by using the remote sensing, GIS, and also AHP. Next is about the research question. What is the research question for this study? The first one is what are the different types of roof materials that present in this study area? The second one is which roof materials factors that influence the quality of the rooftop rainwater harvesting RRWH water? The third one is how does rooftop rainwater harvesting RRWH water quality vary especially within the study area? Next, we move to the aim of this study. The aim of this study is to assess how different roof materials influence the rooftop rainwater harvesting water quality by using the high spatial resolution of imagery, geographic information system based roof material classification and analytical hierarchy process of AHP. There are three objectives of this study, which is the first one is to classify different types of roof materials by using the high spatial resolution of remote sensing imagery, which is the World View 3. The second one is to evaluate the key factors that affect the rooftop rainwater harvesting water quality with a specific focus on the roof materials by using the AHP. And the last one is about to produce a geospatial map of water quality for different roof materials. The study area of this study is at Taman Sri Muda Shah Alam, Selangor. This is focused on the metal and concrete roof materials by using the high spatial resolution of imagery, which is the World View 3, and also the integration of the OBIA and AHP. For the limitations, it is limited to the selected roof materials only, which is metal and concrete. And the second one is the result is depending on the image accuracy and the classification accuracy. And last but not least, the study only focuses on the factors that are affecting the roof materials. Okay, next we move to the methodology. This is the overall workflow of the study. For the workflow, the phase 1 is about the pre-processing that have two types of the pre-processing, which is the first one from the satellite imagery and the second one from the laboratory analysis. And then it will proceed with the phase 2, which is the roof material extraction. Okay, then proceed with the phase 3, which is about the AHP evaluation, and last but not least is about the geospatial map of water quality production. Okay, this is the Further explanation about the methodology. It is used the high resolution of World War III satellite imagery that used to identify and classify the roof materials. Then, the image is processed by using the OBIA in recognition software to improve the accuracy. And then the classified roof data will be integrated into ADIS-Pro for the mapping and also the spatial overlays. And then the analytical hierarchy process, as we know as AHP, will be applied to rank the roof related factors such as the slope, age, texture, pH, and also the total nitrogen. Last but not least, this combine GIS and also AHP output that will generate the decision support maps for RRWH water quality evaluation. There are a few significance of this study, which is the first one is to support the Sustainable Development Goal 6, which is the clean water and also the sanitation. The second one is about to provide the safer and more sustainable RWH strategies for the urban communities. The third significance of study is to enhance the decision making through the geospatial and multi-criteria evaluation tools. Last but not least, it contributes to the long-term water resource and also planning and ability to cope with the climate changes. Next, we will proceed with the results. The first one is about the result of the land use and land cover classification, which is LULC, that have five features on this classification, which is the first one we have the road, and then vegetation, water, roof, and also the open land. So this is the accuracy assessment of the land use and land cover classification, which is the overall accuracy is 1, which is acceptable. Next, this is the roof material classification that have a few features that found in this study area, which is we have the water, the road, the vegetation, the open land, and also the roof, which is the roof is divided into two, which is the roof metal and also the roof concrete. And this is the accuracy assessment, which is the overall accuracy, which is 1, that is acceptable. This is the map of the land use and land cover map. And lastly, this is the map of the roof materials classification. As a conclusion, RRWH is a sustainable solution for the water scarcity. Roof materials play a decisive role in the determining of the RRWH water quality. The third one is the remote sensing and GIS enable accurate classification of the roof types and conditions. AHP provides a structured framework for the ranking water quality factors. In conclusion, the study contributes to the safer, smarter, and more sustainable rainwater harvesting strategies.
Ever thought about harvesting rainwater from your own roof? It's all about efficiency, starting with the right material. Metal roofs are smooth and incredibly clean for collection. Concrete roofs, however, can trap dirt and affect water clarity. Metal even uses sunlight to help naturally disinfect the water. Run it through a sleek filter into your storage tank. Now you have free, eco-friendly water for your whole home. Save water. Start today.
That's all from me. Thank you.